Smile.
In the seat as quick as possible. Okay, now over here on each side is like a, when you put your foot, you feel it, you can adjust them. Okay, there are two. Try it now. Feel it?
I mean, I feel it, but I don't know how my foot's supposed to fit on
It's just supposed to kind of rest. You don't need to put pressure on it. Is that too far?
It needs to come up further.
Okay, try that. Is that good? Now this one, let's see where I got that one.
I found a storage room.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8.
Go for Smokey.
Right. Is that good? Okay.
What's that?
You want to because you're gonna, when you're stroking, it gives you support to your feet. You know what I mean? It's gonna take just a little bit of. Smokey, get up here. Okay, this.
Click them out. See you guys.
Just kind of work with it in the water. How I've got it to fit me. It's like kind of to increase the lumbar if you feel like you want it up. This should be, or to release it.
Okay.
This is to angle your seat pan. I don't mess with that too much. It really doesn't make a whole lot of difference.
Okay.
Okay. This one, if you don't need those up just a little bit.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I can touch them now.
Yeah, if you want to have a little bend in your.
That bites on your belly.
Yeah, I know. I don't know where they came from. I don't know.
Joe.
Yesterday, I guess. No, don't use that.
A little bend in your.
Okay, I've got something.
Let me do this. Like I'm a professional.
Now take a paddle and paddle.
When you paddle, the way you're supposed to do it is not feel it really in your arms, but
My abs.
yeah, it's basically just kind of pretend there's imaginary pole here. And you don't want to. You just need to get out. I'll try to do
What
it.
if I can't get back in?
I'm gonna get the other one.
You just dive out and swim.
That's no good.
There's a lot of. Use the paddle to back you away, keep you from. I'll get the other one. I don't like it.
I'm ready
Keep kicking. Keep kicking that one side. There you go. Now you're turning. Now both of them. Put both of them. There you go. Push.
At least we'll get the other one.
Smokey's following you.
Come here, Smoke.
I thought we were riding the jet ski, Lisa. I thought we
Oops,
were riding
sorry.
the jet ski.
Oops, shit.
Go, baby, go!
Look out.
Are we going to the jet ski on the
Huh?